India. Actually, every year in UPSC, 2-3 questions related to rivers, lakes, and all these things, drainage pattern, and all these things are definitely asked. So this is very important lecture going to be, and therefore you should watch this lecture till the end. So let us start. So drainage system of the India. Actually, I will not read each and every line. I will just give you the idea about the drainage system of India, and you can cover. You can get once I share this PDF, you will get everything related to drainage system, and once you read this PDF, nothing will be out of this PDF in the UPSC prelim exam, because it is covering everything, every river and every lakes and everything it is covering. Okay, so what is the system? So drainage system of India, introduction is given, its definition is given, so you can go through it. Now what are the different drainage patterns? So what is the dendritic pattern, what is radial pattern, what is trellis pattern, what is centripetal pattern? So the definitions of this drainage patterns these are very easy, you can read and you can go through them. Now different drainage systems of India. The Indian drainage system can be grouped into two based on discharge of the water orientation to the sea, which are the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal Sea. Whichever is going in the Arabian Sea, that is the Arabian Sea drainage, and whichever river is going in the Bay of Bengal, that is called Bay of Bengal drainage. Now 77% of the drainage is oriented towards the Bay of Bengal, and 23% discharge their water into the Arabian Sea. Now this fact is very important, because this can be asked in the UPSC, because 77% are going to the Bay of Bengal, means maximum water is going in the Bay of Bengal from India, and only 23% is going in the Arabian Sea. Now after that, on the basis of mode of origin, nature, characteristics, Indian drainage system is classified into the Himalayan drainage and peninsular region. So what are the different types? So what is the Himalayan rivers? Speciality of the Himalayan rivers. So these rivers are means I will just go through the characteristics. These are deep gorges. These rivers also shaped V-shaped valleys, rapids, and waterfalls in their mountain course or upper course. Means these things will be asked. What are the specialities of the Himalayan rivers, and what are in the upper course, what are in the lower course, what are in the down, means what they do in the plain. Like see, river Kosi is the sorrow of Bihar. It is known to changing its course frequently. Why it is changing its course frequently, that also is needed to be covered. So this you can go through. Oxbow lakes in the plain area and middle and lower plain areas, they create the oxbow lakes, then depositional flood plains, like these things. Okay, now what is the speciality of the peninsular river? Peninsular river system is older. First important characteristic is it is older. Then it is seasonal rivers are there, and their flow depend largely on the rainfall. It depend on the rainfall. And a Himalayan river, the glaciers are the source of the water apart from the rainfall. Now peninsular river has shorter and shallower course as compared to the Himalayan river. So this comparison becomes very different. This can be asked in the UPSC directly in the options. Okay, now most of the major peninsular rivers flowing towards the Bay of Bengal. Exception is Narmada and Tapi. So exceptions are given. Names of the rivers are given, right? Chambal, Sindh and Betwa, Ken, and so on, originating in the northern part of the peninsula along the Ganga river system. The other important rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, like this. So everything related to drainage system, rivers, everything related to them is given. Now Western Ghats act as a water divide. What is the water divide? Western Ghat. It divides major peninsular river discharging their water to the Bay of Bengal and small rivulets joining the Arabian Sea. मतलब कि वेस्टर्न घाट में जो ओरिजिनेट होते हैं, actually those are flowing towards the Bay of Bengal and only few are going to the Arabian Sea. Now the Himalayan drainage system, very detailed it is given. Like Indus river system, its area, how much area it is covering, its length is given. It is its different name, like Sindhu, its different name is Sindhu. Origin and its course, where it is originating, how it is going, then which are the tributaries of this thing, Indus river, like tributaries like Shok, Gilgit, Zaskar, Hunza and Nubra join this. The Indus flow through the Baltistan, means how it is flowing, how it is going in Pakistan, everything is given, and everything is given in the NCERT itself. I have taken everything from the NCERT itself. Okay, only few things I have added from the Google. Okay, main tributaries of Indus River. Main tributaries of Indus River. First one is the Satluj. So everything related to Satluj, its origin, its course, everything is given. Then Bees. Okay, then Ravi. I will not read everything. You can go through this PDF, but origin, course, from which states and where it is going, everything is given. Ravi. Then Chenab and Jhelum. Every year the question will be asked on means every year these river systems are very confusing, so questions will be asked. Okay, right and left bank tributaries of river. Okay, means इंडस रिवर राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज कौन से है, लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज कौन से है, वो भी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. नाउ इंडस वाटर ट्रेटी, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So you can go through the Indus water treaty. What are the features, which rivers are allocated to Pakistan, which rivers are allocated to India. You can go through this. Okay, now after Indus there is the Ganga river system. So in the Ganga river system, how much its length, its origin, from which states it is flowing, everything is given. Okay, then its Panch Prayag is given, Vishnu Prayag, Nanda Prayag, Karna Prayag, Rudra Prayag and Dev Prayag. So how these names are decided? So this different river systems are joining each other and these prayags are forming. Okay, then different names of the Ganga. In Bangladesh it is different name, in India it is different name. How it is joining to the Brahmaputra and different name like Meghna and all these things. This you can go through all the details very well. Okay, then Sundarban Delta is formed, how the Royal Bengal tiger is famous there. Now the right bank tributaries of Ganga. Which are the right bank tributaries? So Yamuna river, then Tamas river, Son river. Okay, Punpun river. Left bank tributaries of Ram Ganga. I am going through fast because I need to complete. So national parks are also covered in this. Means so if any river is going through any national park, that is also added. This also is asked in the UPSC prelims exam. Okay, Gomti river is given, Ghagra river, important. So you can go through all this. Gandak river is given. This is Ganga river system, very big river system. Then Kosi river. Okay, so Kosi is then Mahananda river. Now the Brahmaputra river system, again related to Brahmaputra also the many questions are asked, like where it is, which are its tributaries, distributaries, its different names, from where it is entering in the India, like these things. Okay, different name in the China, different name. Then how Dihang, Lohit and Dibang are entirely coming together to become the Brahmaputra. Then river islands like Majuli in the Assam. So everything related to this Brahmaputra river system also is given. So okay, so you can go through this. Now peninsular drainage system. After the Himalayan drainage system, this is peninsular drainage system. So major west flowing peninsular rivers. So west flowing are Narmada and Tapi are the major west flowing, where they are originating, how they are going, different waterfalls names, the marble pictures geolocation like Marble Rock, everything is given in the NCERT itself. You can go through this notes also, and if you want you can go through the NCERT also if you don't want to take my notes. Okay, then national park, Kanha National Park is located in the upper reaches of Narmada river. So this everything is given in the NCERT. Okay, now the Tapi is also the western flowing river. Okay, now Mahi, Sabarmati and Luni, all these are western flowing rivers. Now west flowing small rivers are also there, many small rivers are also there. You can go through these small rivers also. Question can be asked from anywhere. Major east flowing peninsular rivers. Now major east flowing, which are going to the Bay of Bengal, which are the Mahanadi, its origin, from which state it is going, its tributaries, everything is there. Now Godavari is length, area, which states, tributaries, everything. Why it is called Dakshin Ganga, its length and its which states it is going. Dams are also covered. After Ganga, after Godavari, there is a Krishna river, then Kaveri river. Okay, and east flowing small rivers are also there. Small rivers like Subarnarekha, Baitarni, Brahmani, Vamsadhara, Pennar, Palar and Vaigai are small east flowing rivers. So related to these rivers question directly coming in the UPSC prelims. So you should not miss this topic. This is very important topic. Okay, now the lakes, which are the types of lake, like tectonic lake, crater lake, glacial lake, lagoons, oxbow lakes. So important lakes in India, different important names of all the lakes are given, like Dal Lake, Nigin Lake, Anchar Lake, Wular Lake, Mansabal Lake, Gadsar Lake. All the lakes names you can go through this, and different state wise, like in Ladakh which are the lakes, in Himachal Pradesh which are the lakes, in Uttarakhand which are the lakes, in Rajasthan which are the lakes, Maharashtra lakes like Lonar, Gorewada Lake, Odisha Chilika Lake, Hirakud Dam, Kanija Lake, Ansupa Lake. So in Manipur there is a Loktak Lake. This is very important. It is asked in the UPSC prelims directly. In Sikkim also different lakes are there. In Kerala, Vembanad Lake, Ashtamudi Lake, Sastamkota Lake. Tamil Nadu different lakes. Andhra Pradesh Pulikat Lake, Kolleru Lake, Karnataka also, and Telangana also. So lakes are also given. So the intention of taking this lecture is that anyway I will give PDF to the in the paid Telegram channel. I will give the PDF of this notes. But drainage system of India is very important topic. You should not miss this topic. You should cover it from any source. Okay, so I hope you are getting what I am delivering, like slowly notes of history also I will upload on the paid Telegram channel. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye.